Hi, welcome to etbrandequity.com. We are in conversation with Sanjay Agarwal, MD and CEO of AU Small Finance Bank, and Kiara Advani. So, without wasting any time, I'll straight dive in. Sanjay, why Badlav? What kind of insights, it led to, launching Badlav as a campaign for AU?
Yeah, Swani. So, you'll appreciate that, we started our journey 4 years back as a small finance bank. So the biggest badlav which the RBI and the government of India brought in was this, that they gave us a license to us, people from the small towns who didn't have that too big background, but they allow us to get a bank license to start a bank for the whole financial inclusion. And, for first 4 years, we actually brought a lot of badlavs in normal banking. The example can be, we started paying monthly interest. We started paying, there was no deposit slip from customer side. A lot many things, And last 2 years, the team was working on the digital platform. And, the whole last 1.5 years has brought the tech as the most important medium to connect, right? And now we really launched our whole 0101 brand, digital bank, output. So, the whole badlav is in the sense that we have actually challenged the status quo over the years and, brought all the product features, services in terms of customer convenience. So we always think that customer first as our priority, right? So his convenience, his awareness, his flexibility, his easiness, his experience should be paramount for our all product and services, And now by virtue of Kiara, and of course Amir, we're also bringing, the whole flavor around it, So that's all about it.
So thank you for that. And Kiara, coming to you, you have had a tremendous journey when it comes to endorsements. So be it Myntra, Colgate, Housing.com, and now AU Bank. So are we seeing a pattern here where you are on an exploration spree and trying brands of every sector? Are you? Yeah.
Well, I am extremely proud to be a part of the AU Bank family. It's the professional ethos. That's what resonated with me. It's something that I feel very connected to, and everything that Sanjay ji just said, we're going forward with such an interesting, innovative way of pushing the envelope and making banking so much more easier, say for my generation, for that matter. And it's just something that I instantly connected to. The campaign, the thought behind it, the entire Badlav Humse Hai. I felt like this resonated with me, and I would want to associate myself with this brand, and of course, be a part of this brand. And I feel that's what it is when it comes to banking. It's all about trust. It's all about they're as important a family member as any other one in your family, and that's how I feel really about the brand and about the bank.
And just to add on, right?
Where
I started from MS Dhoni, and my whole family and kids, I was just telling Kiara that, you're well known by Sakshi and Kiara. So her journey and our journey, has a similar kind of curve in the last 4.5 years. And she has become so brilliant around the new phase, the vibrancy, and the way she had connected with us is incredible, right? And you will see in our whole ad campaign, she looks like a bank employee. So very happy to connect with you and look forward to working with you for many years to come.
Likewise.
Speaking of, Sanjay, how did the bank know that Kiara and Amir were the perfect face for the bank?
It was obvious. So we didn't have to think too much, to be very honest. I'm not supposed to communicate about Amir. He's my personal favorite. Over the years, he's a catalyst of change, discipline, hard work. The entire, not only industry, the Bollywood industry, the entire country, believes in that the one guy who has that kind of detail oriented, and that whole resonates with our working. If you really see our journey of 25 years, we have always challenged the status quo, and we have gone through the new, experiences, whether it's we were in BFC, now with the bank, or whether now with our digital journeys. So I think the Amir suits us, I think nobody else can represent us. And as I already told about Kiara, very new face, vibrant, the way she has done her movies, challenged everything, And one character which is top of the line for me is Sakshi, right? So it was obvious choice. Honestly, we didn't have too many discussion around it, So very happy and very, I'm very thankful to both of the people because they also need to accept us, right? And so thank you so much for accepting us and believing in us.
Okay, yeah. So Kiara, being relatively new to the industry, you have had range of endorsements, right? So what are the things that you look into before, choosing a brand that you want to associate with?
Well, I think for me, most important is the core values of the brand should resonate with mine and what I believe in. And it's very important for me to, to feel like I would use it. This is something that's, it's more personal than professional. And I felt like when I met with the entire team and when I read the campaign and exactly the thought they wanted to put out, like I said, it was exactly what was on my mind. It was the need of the hour. And I feel like being today's millennials, the Gen Z, we, this is the time we're getting into finance, we're understanding banking, we're understanding, our own, how to manage our own finances. And when I hear of the amazing services that AU Bank has to offer, be it, like Sir said, the monthly interest, everything is, we're pushing the envelope and just making it so much more user-friendly and easier for the customer. And that connected with me. And I just felt like this is definitely something that I want to stand by and be a part of.
And Kiara, we can actually grow your money more and secure.
Now that's the main reason.
Definitely. So, speaking about the core value of the campaign, that is Badlav, I read that you've said that change is constant. What is change to you, Kiara? What and how do you think, as the brand ambassador of AU Small Finance Bank, can you bring a change or a Badlav? How do you plan to bring it?
I mean, change is inevitable, right? That's, like you said, it's the only thing constant. We're in a constantly changing environment and we need to adapt to it. But as we all know, I think change begins from us, from within, and you have to be the change you want to see. And I think that's the step we're trying to take with our Badlav campaign. We are the change we want to see. Be it any of us associated with the bank, with the campaign. And yeah, I think we'll wait for the campaign and the ad to resonate and speak to you.
So for me, the thing is that this is the first bank brand with her.
I know. I was about to get to that. Right? It's like, this is the first time you're associating with the bank, and is it also the first time that you've worked with Amir or for some ad?
That is true. That is the first time I'm working with Amir sir, which was a huge opportunity and pleasure to work with sir, and with Nitesh sir, who's directed the ad and made the campaign, and the entire team. I don't think we could have got a better team for this. So very special.
Take us through your, in a brief manner, take us through your journey with Amir on the campaign. Like, what was it like, working with him on the campaign? Both Sanjay and Kiara. I will start with you, Kiara.
Well, it's an experience to work with Amir sir. He truly is a perfectionist. The way he works, the way he's so committed to everything that he does. He's such wonderful energy on set. And hopefully that will resonate in the ad and the campaign, because that's how it felt on set while we were shooting for the ad. And it really did feel like a very family environment being on set. And Amir sir is thoroughly, I mean, he's so dedicated to whatever he does. He puts in so much emotion and passion in it. It's not just an ad. It's not just we're doing a campaign to show you. I think there was a lot of thought behind it. And that is something, and that's why it really connects.
And Sanjay, what was your experience like?
I can't express, to be very honest, and I would just want to, unveil one secret, that the Badlav Humse, the whole word, the whole line has been built by Amir Saab, And as I told you, I'm a personal fan of him from so many years. And for me, it was like, I was on the moon actually when I met him. And the way he has built everything, right from the whole, the line and the whole flames and how he really want to carry himself, the detailing he done in the whole process of understanding bank. I believe this is the first bank to him also. So, so I think the kind of knowledge, the kind of discipline, the kind of seriousness he want to bring on the table is incredible, right? for me, after the whole shoot, I actually offered him that why can't you join bank now? Because you have understood everything out of it. So brilliant actor, brilliant human, incredible work ethics, and I would want to dedicate the whole campaign, the one only one, which is Amir, honestly. So very thrilled, excited to be part of his journey, because I don't know about our journeys, but I know he's going in a different trip. So very happy to get associated with Amir and Kiara.
Okay, yeah. So, we'll wrap the conversation because I think you have an event also to attend. With one question, this is to you, Sanjay. With Badlaav and with this new, getting Amir and Kiara on board, are we looking at any kind of brand repositioning and anything different for AU?
I would say, as I already commented, that the journey started 25 years back. As a bank, we are 4.5-year-old. The world should know us. The way we have built the bank platform and now the digital platform, we are into an exciting journey post-pandemic. India needs to grow. India is growing, and we all belong to this kind of environment where we all have to put our best foot forward. And I strongly believe that bank is the catalyst of the growth, right? And this association with the Amir and Kiara, and of course the whole brand campaign should showcase what AU has the ability to do in future. And I strongly believe that this campaign would do that. I'm really thankful to everybody, the media, the whole agencies around us, and especially Nitish Kumar to build this kind of whole environment around us. And we'll see a lot of things coming in future also.
Great, great. Thank you, Sanjay. Thank you, Kiara. It has been a wonderful time interacting with you. And yeah.
Thank you so much.
All the best for your event.
Yeah, thank you.